this is John Chamberlain. Welcome to Fundamentals of Light and Laser. Today we're going to do Lab 1-2B, the care and cleaning of high-grade optical components. And Derek, what do you got there?
Well, today we're going to be using our Orion Optics Care Cleaning Kit. Comes in a nice little screw top lid.
We're going to see what's in that kit. First,
we have compressed air, which we'll use to blow off any kind of loose or small dirt from the lens. We also have a brush. Now, how do I get this thing out? Do you know? Oh, look! See, never used lipstick before. This is used to basically brush any kind of loose dirt off the surface of the lens that the air cannot push off. And those very dirty lenses, we have our cleaning formula, which we'll apply with optical cleaning tissues. Also, for more deep cleaning, we have Q-tips. So let's look at all of our components together. All right, as you can see, we've got our materials laid out. I'm going to put on my last finger coat here just to protect the lens from any fingerprints, so I'm not going to get any fingerprints on my lens as I'm cleaning. Again, we'll go from easiest to hardest. We'll spritz our lens there, just using short controlled bursts to keep from getting any condensation on the lens. I'll go ahead and spritz this one as well. Usually that will remove a lot of dirt. If there is any dirt that is not coming off, we'll go ahead and we'll use our brush. Again, just to get any surface dust or dirt off of the lens. Again, without touching it, we're going to use our finger cots. Now, if that doesn't work, this won't work against fingerprints. So now we've got some fingerprints on this lens. So we're going to have to use a method that we call drag and drop. What we're going to do is we're going to take a tissue, and we'll use our cleaning solution. So we're going to place our tissue on top of the polarized lens here. Very fragile. We can't go around manhandling them. We're going to use our cleaning solution. Oh, look at that. Now we see how the lens is stuck to that top one. I'm going to lift this up here so you can see it. And we're just going to drag that drop along the surface of that lens, and you can see it. As it drags, it will move that cleaning solution all over the lens without having to rub it. This will remove a lot of fingerprints. All right, we're going to set that aside. And we have another solution for any kind of fingerprints, just with a forceps. What we're going to do is we're going to take our forceps. We're going to get another tissue, and we're just going to clamp it with our forceps. And we're going to use our cleaning solution again, right here on the edge. It's 1 or 2 drops. We don't want to soak the whole thing. And we'll take our forceps and just drag it along the top of this lens right here to get rid of any kind of fingerprints that are sticking along the top. And just use that corner, any corner, and just drag it along. And then again, I can pick it up using the finger cots. Just drag it along the surface of that lens. Careful not to use the tip of the forceps. Careful not to have this scratch. There we go. All right.